Amism views on rationality. Nobel Prize-winning idea. Amism views on rationality is entirely different from the previous political philosophers. Amism says that the rationality of individuals are purely biased thought existences for social Darwinism. When this form of rationality captures a clan, it changes the social realities, aligns the least point according to it. This is the main reason for conflicts between different clans. A clash of diverse realities. This means rationalism is a gradual infinite-time structural arrangements by dominant individuals, on populations. There are both scientific, material, economic, cultural and political tools aiding in this process. Populations are often unaware of these alignments because of the infinite time arrangements. They get normalized of this exaggerated illusionary realities and believe in pseudo-realities and social arrangements. This actually happens when mindfully wounded individuals attain the dominant social economic status. They may have attained those dominant status by experiencing harsh political, cultural, economic realities. Amism says hence predefined alignment in the entirety, where human good emotions can fail, must be already written and permanent. It must be from the microscopic level to the macroscopic, with great precision and prudence. Otherwise civil wars can happen, in spite of all silencing measures. Predefined rationality must be always above gradually aligned biased rationalities. Hence Amism is highly critical about time-wasting, energy-wasting false notions of previous political philosophers. Even technological innovations must be aligned for the best possible rationality. In a material sense it's a proper matter-action combination which provides fruitful results, in everything. The natural universal programmings are similar to good causes and false receptive senses. False information emerged from the past intellectual foundations, made the rationality of individuals wicked and evil. Hence ideologies of past are big failures. It's like snake eating its own tail again and again, without no better rationality, solving human sorrows.